All right, guys, welcome back. All right, guys, I think we're gonna go ahead and start. We're gonna start putting this bike together. We're gonna do a time lapse because it's gonna take a while, but just bear with me, guys. We're just gonna go ahead and start putting this bike back together. Alright guys, so I hit a snag. I put the chain on, but I had to run it pretty close to the back of this just to give me room for the put these bigger tires on that I'm running here, just to give me a little bit more room up here at the top. If you guys can see that or not inside here. Right here maybe. Yeah, but anyway, in here ain't got a whole lot of room. Like I said, I slid them back. I trued the wheel best I could by hand, just by eye. But like I said, now the brake pads are not going to hit where they want. So I ordered some longer reach ones. They're about 6 millimeters longer. We'll see what they are, and they're also silver. So when they come in, I'll show you guys what we got, and we'll see if they work. If not, I might have to just run a different tire in the back, a smaller tire, and just move it in closer, and I'm gonna have to shorten the chain up. But we're gonna see if we can get these tires to work with this bike. So just stay tuned. Alright guys, so the brake pads came in today. It only took about a day. I kind of put them here even so you guys can kind of see. You can see it is a little bit, looks like it is a little bit longer than the other one, so these will definitely work. I think they'll be okay. I was noticing that like this was an open box item, so I think these are originally around 35-40 bucks. I think I paid 20 some dollars for them, so I got them close to half price. I'll put it on there, I'll let you guys think. But like I said, they come with brake pads, but we're not going to use these. We're going to use the other ones. I'm going to have extra cables. I already got the I think it's a rant cable or whatnot. I can't remember what I got, or kink. So I already have a cable for it. I'm going to try and run it through the bike the same way. I'll show you guys that. It does come with 2 levers as well, but we're not going to use these. So it'll just be some inventory. Like I said, another brake cable, and here's the pieces that go into here, are the hold downs for the cable once they get it in there. So here's everything. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put these on the bike, and I think we're gonna be okay with running it at the back of the dropout for the back of the rim. So stay tuned guys, we're gonna go ahead and get these parts installed. Alright guys, that's pretty much going to wrap this video up here. I'll just go over quick with you with the brake lever here. Like I said, the kink one here, like I said, I used electrical tape to mark where I wanted to cut it, just so the cut would be a little bit better. Like I said, we cut it and then fed it through here. Is the way it was originally came, right through here, without the covering for it, and then back here, the tubing for it here to get for the cable to go through. I'm probably gonna add a wire tie or something here just to hold back here, but it's on there pretty good. I'm gonna have to adjust the back brakes a little bit more, but I'll do that off air, whatnot. Like I said, I got a couple little things to fine tune, but that's pretty much gonna wrap this up, guys. This bike up here. You guys tell me what you think. Like I said, we just threw this thing together pretty quickly. It took a while to get the parts in, but once I got the parts in, like I said, it went along pretty good. But that's it, guys. I wanted to say thanks, God bless, and just have a great evening. Therefore, go and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Matthew 29:19. All right, guys, I know it can be a little daunting sometimes to go and share your faith with someone when I know that you don't do it a lot or you haven't really done it. The more you do it, the more comfortable you get sharing it with people. But I just pray that if you haven't heard the word or don't know the word, I pray that you would just seek Jesus, read his word, talk to someone, join a local church, and just get to know him. But that's it, guys. I wanted to say thanks and God bless. Have a great day.